Thank you for purchasing the new Kenmore Elite HE Series front-loading washer. This use and care program will highlight the many features of your new washer, plus some of the differences in the way it operates. The HE Series takes things a step further, starting with cleaner clothes, larger loads, water and energy savings. The cleaning is unsurpassed in the HE Series, and with 3.8 cubic feet in the drum, the HE offers the largest usable cleaning capacity among leading brands. You'll be able to do, for example, up to 22 bath towels, and so do fewer loads every week. But not only do you get the big three benefits of capacity, cleaning, and conservation, now you get the fourth C, caring. Caring for your family with new cycles that have children in mind, and caring for your fabrics with a new gentleness that makes clothes last longer. The door opening is larger than you'll find on other front loaders, easier to load and unload. The exclusive Pedestal option elevates the washer for less bending when loading and unloading, while providing valuable storage space. The controls are on the front, so the top can be completely uncluttered, so your HE washer can be installed under a custom height counter. Or if you need to install the pair in a small footprint, you can stack the matching dryer on top. Kenmore has an important safety announcement. Never place items in the washer that are dampened with gasoline or other flammable fluids. No washer can completely remove oil. Do not dry anything that has ever had any type of oil on it, including cooking oils. Doing so can result in death, explosion, or fire. Let's do a typical load of laundry in your HE4T or HE5T washer. Put in the sorted laundry. You'll find the Kenmore Elite HE Series washers hold more than a conventional washer. Go ahead and fill it up. Just make sure that the door closes easily. Close the door firmly and you'll hear a click. The door will be locked during the wash cycle. Your washer has the Detergent Advantage System dispenser for laundry additives, a drawer for powders and liquid detergent. The timed bleach release automatically adds bleach after enzyme cleaners have had a chance to do their cleaning. Fabric softener is dispensed during the rinse cycle. The dispenser drawer has separate compartments for your laundry powders or liquid detergent and will automatically flush to dispense each additive at exactly the right time in the wash cycle for optimum cleaning. For outstanding cleaning performance, we recommend using a high-efficiency detergent. Notice the detergent separator. Place it in the rear position for powder detergent. A small square symbol near the word powder lines up with a small square symbol on the edge of the drawer. Move the separator forward for liquid detergent. Powdered detergent is recommended if you choose the pre-wash or time delay features. If you use powdered bleach, add it to the powdered detergent compartment with the separator to the rear. Or, liquid color-safe bleach can be added to the liquid detergent with the separator in the forward position. For best results, use liquid detergent with your liquid color-safe bleach, powdered detergent with your powdered bleach. This compartment is for liquid chlorine bleach. Don't make the mistake of adding powdered bleach or liquid color-safe bleach to this compartment. It is only for liquid chlorine bleach. It holds 1/3 cup, which is enough to brighten and whiten your largest load. The fabric softener compartment is at the front of the drawer, next to the main wash detergent compartment. It holds 1/4 cup and automatically dispenses the softener during the final rinse. You fill all the compartments you want to use at the beginning of the wash. Close the drawer and the washer automatically uses specific additives exactly when needed. By the way, the dispenser drawer can be easily removed with the release at the back of the drawer to make cleaning the drawer easy. With the drawer closed, we're ready to set the controls and start the machine. The easiest way to set the controls is to simply choose a cycle. For instance, you might press the normal casual cycle. When you press the button, you'll see a red light in your cycle of choice. Then press and hold Start for 2 seconds, and you're done. Your HE washer will use the preset times, temperatures, and spin speeds for that cycle. You can instantly see the progress of a cycle by looking at the status lights along the left side of the control panel. The top light is Add a Garment. As the cycle continues, the lights glow in turn until the Close Clean light indicates the cycle is complete and garments are ready to be removed. The Close Clean light stays illuminated for 5 minutes, and then the washer completely powers down to save energy. Express Wash gets lightly soiled small loads of 2 to 3 garments ready for the dryer in about 30 minutes. The cycle finishes with a very high spin speed to reduce drying time. Larger loads will increase wash time. The Kids Wear cycle has been especially developed to get rid of typical children's stains, such as milk, grass, earth, blood, and different types of food. This cycle is combined with skincare rinse, so that it will gently remove the soap from clothes that are worn by infants. The new skincare rinse is a new level of rinsing. It will gently remove the soap from clothes that are worn by infants. It is even more effective than the second rinse at removing detergent residue. Skincare rinse is a preset option in the Kids Wear cycle, but you may choose this option with other cycles. The Handwash wool cycle gives you the gentleness of hand washing for felt finish woolens and special care items that you would normally wash by hand. Make sure to check the label instructions on your garments to make sure they are washable. This cycle uses cold wash and rinse temperatures, extra low speed intermittent tumbling, soaks, and extra low speed spins to minimize wrinkling. The Silk Ultra Delicate cycle offers extreme gentleness with no spin at all and cold water wash and rinse. Check the label instructions on your garments to make sure they are washable. This cycle cradles your garments in a gentle motion that gently tumbles and drains without spinning. When you remove garments, you'll find they contain more water than in other cycles. The Sanitary Cycle is for heavily soiled, color-fast fabrics. You'll need to fill the pre-wash dispenser as well as the regular cycle dispenser with detergent. This cycle superheats the water, uses heavy-duty tumbling, and a longer wash time to kill germs and eliminate odors. The Sanitary Cycle eliminates 99.999% of 3 common infectious bacteria, even when no bleach is used. The Sanitary Cycle boosts the water temperature above 150 degrees Fahrenheit, even if your home water heater is set to 120 degrees. It is also based on the SmartWash technology. At the end of the cycle, an extra high-speed spin reduces drying time. The new bulky bedding cycle is a great convenience, designed for your large bedding items. It begins with a soak to fully saturate the bulky items. It continues with a medium wash action and a low spin speed to keep the load balanced while spinning. It can be combined with the new skincare option to offer even more gentleness and the best rinsing performance. The Whitest White cycle is made for getting your whites brilliantly clean. Just add high-efficiency detergent to the detergent dispenser and 1/3 cup liquid chlorine bleach to the separate liquid chlorine bleach dispenser, and select this cycle for optimal whites cleaning. It uses high water temperatures to make the bleach more effective. An additional rinse removes chlorine smell. Heavy Duty is for sturdy, color-fast, heavily soiled garments. It uses very hot water with longer wash times to get out stubborn dirt. It ends in a high-speed spin to extract most of the water and cut drying time. Custom Program Cycle is a way you can easily load your favorite cycle and settings into the washer for anyone to use. After you've chosen your favorite cycle with the options and modifications you prefer, just press and hold the Custom Program for about 3 seconds. To record your settings, hold until you hear a beep and the letters SET will be displayed on your washer. Then press the Start button. Your custom cycle is now recorded. Even if you're not at home, anyone in your family can operate the washer with your preferred settings by pressing the Custom Program button instead of one of the standard cycles. Then press and hold the Start button for about 1 second to begin your custom program. Here are the exclusive features of your new HE4T or HE5T washer. The capabilities that not only provide unsurpassed cleaning, capacity, and conservation, but also demonstrate the fourth C, caring. Caring for your family and for your fabrics. A new skincare rinse level for best detergent extraction. A new bulky bedding cycle. A new kidswear cycle. And, of course, there's the germ-killing Sanitary Cycle. All of this is supported by the Smart Wash technology to obtain the best results, wash after wash. Add all this to the many useful cycles and features you've come to expect, and the HE4T and HE5T will change the way you do your laundry. Select any feature to learn more. The Add a Garment light will glow for 8 minutes at the beginning of a cycle, because you may find an extra few things that should have gone into the wash. To add a garment during the time the light is glowing, just press the Pause Cancel button. The washer door unlocks. Add the garment, close the door, and then press and hold in the Start button for 1 full second, and the cycle continues where it left off. To unlock the door after the Add a Garment time is expired, press Pause Cancel twice, which will cancel the cycle. If the temperature of the water in the washer is too high to be safe to touch, the washer will automatically drain before the door unlocks. The Adaptive Variable Speed motor changes speed to suit the cycle as well as the size and type of load. It goes very slowly for delicates and spins fast for extracting water from normal loads. Your washer is among the most advanced washers ever developed. It has features that set it apart from other washers. The Auto Water Level automatically detects the size of the load and uses less water for smaller loads. Because you care about the environment, Save Energy Plus lets you reduce the energy consumption of the most intensive cycles, up to 15 to 20%, by lowering the temperature with just a little bit of extra cycle time, 10 minutes, while keeping the washing results at the same level. Your HE4T washer is one of the most energy-friendly Energy Star models. With this option, you save money while doing good for the environment. Because we care about ease of use, the innovative Pedestal is now 15 inches tall for less bending when loading and unloading, and the taller Pedestal holds detergent bottles upright. The U-shelf is perfect for holding a laundry basket, and there is a compartment for dryer sheets and other items.